Hi, I recently had full fibre broadband fitted, so I thought I would share with you my experience and all the bits and bobs I've had to have to go with it. Here is a screenshot before I had full fibre broadband. Here is a screenshot after I had full fibre broadband. For the curious, this is the box they installed. The green one on the left is the fibre optic cable itself. The black one in the middle is the Ethernet cable that goes up to the router. And the white one is the power supply. It's a little wall wart that just gets plugged into the main socket. As you can see, I've still got the original broadband socket. It's here for a backup should the other one fail, but I somehow don't think it will. This is the router that the Ethernet cable connects to. Yes, this is the same router that I got in December 2020. It really does use the same one. They just plug it into a different port and reconfigure it. Works a treat. Yes, as you can see, we actually do have two phone lines going to the house. One's the new fibre broadband, one is the old copper one. Interesting. We have this box outside as well. It's where the fibre broadband cable comes from the pole and joins up to one that goes into the house. The idea of it is so they can actually test it from here if they need to. Just saying, don't worry about this. It's something for the camera to focus on. I've been saying about fibre optic cable. Would you actually like to see it? The actual fibre optic. Here it is. This part isn't the cable. This is just an outer sheath. And if you look very, very carefully there, you can just about see a blue part. That's the outer sheath of the actual glass fibre itself. And right on the end here, you can just about make it out. That, put my finger on it, there we go. I'm touching the end of it now. That is the actual glass fibre that brings broadband into your house. So now you know. Well, you've seen everything that was installed. How long did it take? I don't actually know. I never timed him. I was talking to him while he was doing some of it, so therefore obviously that makes the job longer, but yes, I made him cups of tea. I would say a couple of hours, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. Like I say, I wasn't timing him, but he did a good job. If you found this video useful, please buy me a coffee. If you'd like to show your appreciation, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs up button 3 times. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.